Hey guys, just here really quick to show you guys about how you would use a Venn diagram to compare two different life cycles. So I'm going to compare the life cycle of a butterfly and the life cycle of a frog. So I'm going to label one side as the butterfly, and then I'm going to label one side as the frog. And then what you guys would do is underneath these circles, so over here underneath butterfly, this is where you're going to put the things that apply just to the butterfly life cycle. And over here where it's frog, I'm going to put just the parts of the life cycle that go to the frog. And then any of the parts that are the same go in this middle part where they overlap. So if I'm thinking about the life cycle of a butterfly, I know that a butterfly starts as an egg, it goes to a caterpillar, then a chrysalis, and then it ends as an adult butterfly. If I'm thinking about a frog, I know that a frog starts as an egg, then goes to a tadpole, then goes to a froglet, and then goes to the adult frog. Well, if I'm thinking those through, I know one thing that's the same from both of them is they both start as an egg. So I'm going to put that they start as an egg. I'm going to put those in the middle because that's the same for both of them. Both of them start as an egg. And since I put it in the middle, I don't have to put it over here under butterfly or over here under frog because I've already put it in the middle to show that both of them start as a frog or start as an egg. So now under butterfly, I'm going to list my other ones and double check myself to see if there's any others that line up. So after a butterfly is an egg, it goes into a caterpillar. Then it becomes, after the caterpillar, it goes to a chrysalis. And after a chrysalis, it goes to an adult butterfly. Now I'm just going to make these in purple just so that way you guys can see that these are specific to the butterfly. The blue in the middle is the same. And then I'm going to do the frog in green just so you guys can see it in case the circles don't make sense to you guys. So again, a butterfly goes from an egg, which is the same as a frog, so I put it in the middle because those two are the same. Then it goes to a butterfly, a chrysalis, and then an adult butterfly. A frog, well, the frog life cycle starts as an egg, which I already have in the middle. So I don't need to put that over here for the frog because I know it's already got that. It's in the middle. After the frog is an egg, it turns into a tadpole. After the tadpole, it becomes a froglet. And after the froglet, it becomes an adult frog. So this is just a quick way to show what's the same and what's different between a frog and a butterfly. So I'm just comparing them and contrasting them. So now when I look at it, I can easily see that a butterfly and a frog both start as an egg. A butterfly is different because it goes through a caterpillar, a chrysalis, and then it turns into an adult butterfly. And a frog is different because it goes from an egg to a tadpole and then a froglet and then an adult frog. So when you guys are comparing your animals and their life cycles, you can pick any of the different animals that we've talked about the past couple of weeks, and you can compare their two life cycles. You would just write it in the Venn diagram that looks like this one that's in your packet for the week. If you have questions, just feel free to ask your teacher. Thanks, guys.